Alright guys, Eddie and I are out here on the boat, and we're gonna be fishing some buzz baits here and some weed flats for some big pike. See you guys when we get some fish. Nice one. Yeah, I tried to scoop them up. It's not a big one, but it's okay.
I did the net with one hand.
Oh man, his fin is all toast. What happened? I don't know what he got bit by. Like half his fins just shredded off from something. Where he came from? Oh, that's bigger than the other one for sure. Yeah, I get them. Nah, I'll just flip it up. It's probably about the same size.
Oh.
Yeah, it's about the same size. Maybe a little bigger.
Did you do that because you knew he wasn't fighting as much?
Yeah. Another pike. Not too big though. Oh, he's coming after it. Did you just see that? That was awesome. That's a nice one too. Yeah, I'd stick at the net. He hit it 3 times. Oh, it's a really nice one. Scoop it up before it goes crazy. Dude, that's a nice one. That one's over 30.
What?
That one's over 30. For sure. Don't hold this for me.
Okay.
Alright guys, the first decent pike of today. It's probably like 31-ish inches. I mean, just over 30. It's 30 and a half inches. So that's the first fish that's over 30 inches. See you, buddy. Got him.
Stop!
It's another just...
That's a baby one. Can I have him?
It's another just little Nimrod.
I want him.
Look how tiny it is.
I know, I want him. Yeah.
Oh. Dude, why is it going from your head shakes?
Need a net?
Oh, no, it's a bass.
The answer is no.
No, I do not
Okay,
do that.
cool. Julio.
Bassy boy.
I want to catch something.
Oh my gosh. Gotta net this guy. I mean, he's not huge, but he's not boat flip size. Dude, that was crazy right by the boat. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll hook him.
I want one!
Dude, that was insane. There we go. That guy's probably also around 28 inches, 27, 26 probably. Dude, he blew up on it right by the trolling motor. That was awesome. Alright guys, this pike right here, it's probably like 28 inches. It was the craziest bite. He swiped at it, missed it, swiped at it again, missed it, followed me halfway up to the boat. I could see him following it like he was making a wake, and then he just absolutely hammered it. I completely forgot to turn on my GoPro. Kind of disappointed, but